Welcome back. You're watching Storyboard. After joining ITC last December, Sameer Satpathy has recently taken on a new role at this organization. He is now the Chief Executive Personal Care at ITC Limited. And Vivelle is ITC Personal Care's flagship brand. The company has recently launched a new TVC for this brand. The campaign goes beyond the regular product-based advertising and puts Vivelle on a new, much larger platform through this Ab Samjhauta Nahi campaign. What is the brand expecting to achieve out of this change in positioning? When will we get to see more innovation from ITC? We have all these questions answered in this conversation with Sameer.
खींचे खींचे पलों को सॉफ्टनेस से संभाला जा सकता है, जैसे कल मैंने
डन प्रिया, सुपर। तुम मेरी कंपनी ज्वाइन कर लो, मैं बहुत जल्दी तुम्हें जॉब तक पहुंचा सकता हूँ।
कमाल है, कल लिफ्टमैन ने भी यही बोला था। कमाल है ना?
That's good. Hey, I'll just.
Yeah, please. सब कुछ सॉफ्टनेस से संभालना आपकी अदा है। ऐसी सॉफ्टनेस जो मिलती है एलोवेरा युक्त विवेल से। विवेल सॉफ्टनेस, अब कोई समझौता नहीं।
You've launched a new campaign called Ab Samjhauta Nahi. What is that campaign all about?
Today, when we look at women and in the way, it's not how society treats them, but in the way society has conditioned them, they sometimes restrict themselves and therefore, don't reach full potential. And it's so insidious and it's so it's so much saying that, hey, this is not a done thing, you shouldn't walk down that street, you shouldn't say such things, you shouldn't dress up in a certain way. That women are usually, and they restrict ourselves. And that sometimes, does not really help them to really, grow in the right manner or, flower in the right way.
We have never seen such a body of work from Vivelle or ITC. What made you come up with such a campaign?
If I really look at the journey, Vivelle has been launched 6-7 years back. There was obviously the initial phase of a brand where it establishes itself in the market, its functionality, why it exists. But for brands to really thrive and grow, they have to really be embedded in society. So I think there's a certain balance which brands need to have. They need to be able to inspire, yet be rooted in the reality of the consumer. So if you manage that balance well, then brands tend to grow.
What do you expect out of this campaign? Because as you said earlier, the campaigns used to be different and you have to be rooted with the society. So what is the expectation from this campaign?
Expectation is that I think as a brand it impacts society in a positive manner. It creates engagement with the consumers, and because it gets more closer to consumers, it grows well.
So what is the immediate change that you wish to see out of it?
I think that at a very immediate level, I think if it can inspire young women in India, saying that, hey, some things are right, but some things are actually not right. There's a line we draw, and because we draw this line, we are in a better place. I think that'd be lovely.
In terms of sales, what is the change that you expect?
Sales, I think sales have been doing well. We would expect them to accelerate. And it becomes a brand which is not just rooted in functionality but in an emotional promise, which consumers love.
I will have to ask you this question. You've just taken on the role of a CEO of the personal care category. What do we expect from this role change?
There is great potential in the Indian consumer story, and ITC is very invested in the same. So we are growing in this business. We expect to invest and grow in the future also.
We have seen a lot of noise when it comes to personal care products from ITC, but do we get to see more innovation in the coming days from this category?
See, it's the soap industry as such is one of the is one of the more penetrated categories, and there is obviously a lot of varianting which keeps going on. But in terms of pure play innovation, some new formats have come in, but they still have to get established. So yes, we have to invest in the future. We have to invest in growing this market, and upgrading consumers. So I think that's something which I think we'll see some work, not only from us, but also from competition.
And how do you plan to take on the likes of an HUL or a PNG in the coming days?
I think we compete with them, and they are good competitors, because good competition is really what makes us do our jobs better.
All right.
So we need it.
All right. Thank you so much. Thanks for speaking to us, and all the best on your new role.
Thank you.
Cannes Lions begins this weekend, and a lot of interesting films from India have participated at Cannes Lions 2016. Which are those campaigns that we think stand a strong chance to win Lions this year? We have shortlisted 5 of them. Let's see which ones feature in this list.